All right, thanks a lot. Yes, local forecast with a splash of the Florida Southeast included. So a little bonus for all of you who have stuck around for the end of the show. Temperature right now, 50 degrees, 34-degree dew point. So we are starting to dry out a little bit as we head into the evening hours. You can see all those clear skies right before sunset, and a little bit of everything today with all the rain that we saw this morning. And then we saw some cloud cover through the afternoon, and then the sun broke out right before sunset. So a little bit of everything for everyone. 50 degrees in Tallahassee, 47 in Marianna, 46 in Albany, a little bit warmer where that front hasn't quite pushed through yet as you head over toward Ocala and Gainesville, but all in all, everyone's going to be cooling down as we head through the state because that front has pulled through, and it's not only bringing down the temperatures but also bringing the dew points down. 34 in Tallahassee, 28 in Marianna, and 25 in Dothan. Basically what this means for all of you at home is that it's going to be a lot drier out there as we head through the nighttime hours tonight and also through the next couple of days, so expect lots of sunshine after a kind of a gloomy start to your work week. You can expect to see sunshine as we head right through the middle of the week. Local radar, there's all that rainfall that we saw earlier today now pushing well off into the Atlantic Ocean. We're left with basically clear skies, and as we spread the picture out, you can see that we have a little bit in the way of another system. This is actually the back end of this system that is wrapping around. It's a pretty big system that's wrapped around, and with this part of the system we see some snowfall and some mixed precip now making its way into northern Alabama. None of this getting here for us. We should stay mainly clear tonight, so no snow. So it looks like we'll strike out for the second time with as far as the snow goes, but of course if you want to see it you can just travel on up into Alabama. For us, we'll be staying mainly clear and dry as we head through the overnight hours. Tonight, nice northerly wind keeping us pretty cool. Temperatures will be in the upper 20s. As we head into tomorrow, that front continues to push its way out. High pressure starts to build in, and as it does so, our winds will calm a little bit, and it looks like we'll see some nice sunny conditions, but it will be a little bit cooler with temperatures only in the 50s. So you want to make sure that you stay bundled up out there. Now let's take a look at what you can expect as far as your forecast goes for tonight. Beaches at 31 degrees. Inland will be down into the 20s with clear skies, so the clouds will begin to decrease, and if they're not out of your area now, they will be shortly. As you head into tomorrow, lots of sunshine. Beaches at 54 degrees, inland at 51, so once again it's going to be quite chilly out there. Clear skies and sunshine. Winds will be out of the west-northwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour, and your 7-day forecast will keep the sunny skies. As we head through the middle and latter part of the week, we'll start to introduce a few clouds as you head into Thursday and Friday, with our next disturbance coming through Saturday. Just a 20% chance of rain, so right now not a washout, and the temperatures warming nicely as we head into the weekend with temperatures making it into the mid-60s. Thanks a lot, Daniel, and we'll start off by taking a look at a close-in radar of what's going on with the tropical storm Ida. Was a hurricane and is now downgraded to a tropical storm this afternoon, which is certainly good news as it makes its way inland. Here, of course, is the state of Alabama. Here's Mississippi, and if we look to the west, here, of course, is Louisiana. And quite an impressive line of shower activity making its way inland as it makes its way into the state of Louisiana and Mississippi, making landfall. Once again, a large swath of rain everywhere from Louisiana on through Mississippi, Alabama, and even into the state of Florida now. We'll spread the picture out, and you can see a very nice comma shape here, and that circulation, of course, counterclockwise, and we have pretty much that outer band right there making its way to our area as we head over the next few hours. So expect some rainfall as we head into the late evening hours, and then you can expect to see widespread rainfall continuing as we head into the overnight hours and even through the day tomorrow. So lots of rain on the way. As far as the particulars on Tropical Storm Ida, now at 70-mile-per-hour winds. Movement is to the north now at 18 miles per hour over the afternoon. It was moving slightly to the northwest, but now it's moving north. So it's starting to make that turn, and as it does make that turn, it will make a trek across the Panhandle and Big Bend regions of Florida. After making landfall, it will also weaken, which is certainly some good news. Here's a quick look at the wind swath of the tropical storm right now, and the tropical storm force winds do not extend very far out, so wind's not the major issue. The major issue being the flash flooding, so we do have some watches in effect for our area with that. Also, storm surge is also a concern. These areas in red can see storm surge in up to 6 feet. These areas in orange can see storm surge totals up to 3 feet. So the main thing that you want to watch out for with this is definitely all the rainfall that we will be getting. Now back to you guys at the desk. Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist John Smith here with your 4FSU weather update. Another warm one across much of the southeast. 79 right now in Tallahassee, 80 in Atlanta. Nice warm stuff with this area of high pressure that we've seen all week, bringing us sunny skies and the warm stuff as well. Taking a look at the satellite, we have clear skies still in the southeast, but we have showers and storms not too far off from our west. We have seen these showers and storms in Texas for the past couple of days. Will they be making it our way? Tune in at 6:30 to find out.